Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix sign in to complete purchase in iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are trying to download anything from your app store, but you are facing this type issue that is showing a message which is sign in to complete purchase. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So first, let me tell you when it happens. It happens when you don't have signed into your Apple ID in your App Store. So very first, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stronger network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN in device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you find here any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after that, you just have to go back and then go for App Store. Now you have to tap on the profile option in the top right corner and then select sign in with Apple account. Here you can see I have sign in Apple ID option, so you'll get here the sign in option with the same Apple ID which you have used in your iPhone or iPad. So if you want to sign in with this Apple ID, so you can do that, or simply tap on the continue option. Or if you want to change your Apple ID or use any different Apple ID for your App Store, so you just have to tap on this the second option here, and then you have to log in with your Apple ID which you want to add in your App Store. Or if you want to continue with the same ID, so simply tap on the sign in with Apple account and select continue option. Now it will just take a moment, you just have to wait for it, and after that your Apple ID will be successfully signed in App Store. Now you can easily install anything from your App Store which you want to. So in this way you can easily fix the issue that sign in to complete your purchase in Apple ID or your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.